Hello guys, let's welcome for the one more video. Today we are going to unbox the wonderful Planetronix Edge. It's a one year Bluetooth and which has it has a attachment of with a wireless charger. So it's a pretty expensive part. It's not for the basic users. It's for the this Bluetooth is a very wonderful Bluetooth who's going to use it for a long period, for example, if you're getting a 50-60 calls per day, or you keep on talking, or you're in a conversation for more than a half an hour, you're get totally pissed off with your calls, like keeping your mobile on your ears and your hands are paining. So only for these kind of people this is pretty good, and especially for the people who is mostly in their driving. So it's a very wonderful product for the hand free stuff. Actually, I bought this product in online in Amazon. Actually, the original MRP cost is, you can see here, come on, focus. Yeah, you can see this is the, as per the Indian cost price, it's 7,490. But in the Amazon I got this product for I think around 5,850 something. Okay, the box looks pretty decent. It's like very heavy. I think it's almost like 350 grams, I think so. The box looks pretty decent. It's worth for money. Actually, like, I have already bought this product once, and this is my second product because the first one I have already lost it. So I was totally used to it. I love this product, especially the black edition. See how they make this product beautiful. You can see this, what a nice packing. And as well as, let's unbox this product first, then I will give you the full description about this. So this is my second device. Actually, the first Bluetooth what I bought is, I by mistake while driving. I don't know how I lost it. I like, while I was driving the bike, I just slipped it somewhere. So you can see this. It's a nice pack. It's a black edition, matte black edition. It's a wonderful Bluetooth. You can see this, and it's the wireless charger. It can able to charge this device once again for 3 times. That means, like, this is the device which can able to talk for the maximum of 6 hours. You don't believe this will talk till, because I have, before buying this Planetronix, I bought a few Bluetooths like Samsung, and I have bought one more thing also, but I sure that they are not capable for this much long period. And you can see this is very slim, so I'm just going to let me remove this. You can see just it has some plastic hook, just you have to pick it out. Yep, it came out. You can see this product, sorry, yeah, it's very slim. You can see this, it's a wonderful earbud. I have never seen it, because I'm holding this, I'm just using in my ear every day at least for 8 to 10 hours. I never feel that it has a problem. You can see this is a switch on button, power off. So when you can see the wonderful LED starts in, and you can see this is a volume button, and it has an independent charger also. And the main thing is, it has a wonderful noise filter, and this is a push button. For, like, if you want to call somebody, you just simply push this, you will get a voice call. You just call your dad, mom, like whoever you feel. Once the voice command has been recognized, so it will automatically give a call. So you can see this, it has a stereo mic input. That means, like, you can see this, both the side it has 2 mics. So these two, you can see this small streak, hopefully I can, yeah, this one, these two has very nice. And you can see the third mic which is available here. Yes, you can see these 2 dots here. Yeah, this one, yeah. So this is a third mic. This is called noise filtering mic. For example, how this work is, for example, if you are hearing in this way, so whatever you speaks here, these two will receive this voice, and this will observe the outdoor voices. You can see the mic has been kept opposite. For example, like, the mic has been kept in this way, so that it won't listen this side, it will listen back side. So whatever the outdoor is happening, it will recognize this noise, and whatever you speaks, it will compare it, and it will remove the unwanted noise from here, and it will give you the proper wavelength whatever you wish. This has the 6 hours talking capacity, and whoever calls you, it will give you a voice notification. Actually thing is, I have already bought this, so I will just hold a minute. You can see this is my old product what I bought, so the same. Now I have 2 pairs with me. So it's nothing else, you simply just plug in this, just have a click, done. So you can see the Bluetooth device has how much charge, and the internal battery has this much. So this will, it's a super duper rubber finish. Hopefully you can see this right now. It's fully of rubber finish, and it's very easy. You can see the Plantronics brand, and it has a USB charger here. It's a pretty awesome device. You can charge it while if you're keeping it on also, that's not an issue. Once you got a call, you just simply just push it like this, it will come out. You can just simply put it in your ear, you can answer it. One more thing is, it is a good sensor for calling also. For example, if you get a call from your mobile, for example this is your mobile, okay, if you're getting a call, you're putting in the charger, no need to worry about that. Simply take it, put it in your ear, it will automatically attend your call. So no need to worry about pushing this button. So that's a one pretty thing, I loved it. And whoever calls you, you will get a voice confirmation, incoming call from dad, incoming call from mom. So you will get a voice command. So according to that, you can attend or reject your calls if you wish. So these are the things, stupid manuals, blah blah things. So no need to worry about this thing, just throw it out. And the fabulous thing what I loved here is, it has a very tiny USB charger. This you can not only using for this, you can use this for your mobile charging also if you are traveling out. So it's a pretty good product. And one more thing, it comes with few earbuds. If you missed it, you have the big one, and you have this earring lock. So I think most probably I don't recommend this, like using this, so that it's pretty grip, and they providing a USB car charger also. You can use this for both the stuff. So I love this product much. So what I'm telling you in the final way is, I love this product a lot. I love this product a lot. It's really very handy. You can see this, it's less than you can just simply have it in your hand, and it is a touch sensor. Once you touch this, you will get the letter. For example, if you see, once I touch, I will get it. So it's a pretty wonderful product. You can buy it at any time. It's worth for money, but it's pretty costly, but still it's worth for it. No need to worry about it. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Have a good day.